Hi, welcome to the Pentart Playbook. This is where I'm going to show you all about the different Pentart products. I'm Shannon, and I am from Pick & Boots Vintage. Let's get started. Pentart water-based varnish in both matte and glossy. So this is another option for you if you don't like the solvent-based ones, the ones that have that extreme odor on them. These don't have the health warning on them. Generally, though, water-based and solvent-based, generally the solvent-based works better, but it all depends on your project. So the difference with these are obviously the glossy will be gloss, and the matte will be matte, or it'll be flat and can give a more vintage look. So you're going to do the same with these ones. You're going to just make sure your project is dry and it's ready to go. You're going to use a nice soft synthetic brush, applying an even coat. Let it dry, and if you want to add a second coat for durability, you can. These ones don't take quite as long to dry, probably dry in about an hour. And the pro tip for these are the same as what I had just said earlier, is if you want better durability, add a second coat. And these are easy cleanup because they're water-based.